Hi everybody, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to use the multi-transform tool to make the linear pattern in two directions. To do this, select your last feature, like this pocket, click multi-transform, scroll down, here in the transformations, right click, add linear pattern, direction, select reference, let's say this edge, adjust the length, add some more holes. Now scroll down a little bit more, like OK. Then again in the transformations, right click, add linear pattern. Now select the other edge, adjust the length, give it some more holes, click OK, scroll up, click OK, and that's it. That's all there is to it.